Hello, I'm designing a pattern and I have made a mistake. This little color work should be placed between, and I'm going to hopefully show you how I drop stitches to fix placing of the color work. Let's start. The most important thing when you'll be dropping the stitches before you do, realize what you have on your needles. So basically what I want to drop, I want to drop 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to have 3 ladders of this dark grey color, and then I will have 2 strands behind this round where I should find a ladder of grey and a ladder of white, and I want to just switch it. So let's see how it looks. I'm dropping 2 stitches, and you can see I have first ladder, second ladder, third ladder. Right, and now I want to drop white and grey. I can put back the stitches on the left needle and work way back. So now I want to have a ladder of white. So let's grab this ladder. So stitch out the white, move it to the right, and then I'm looking for the 4th ladder of grey. So I have 1, 2, 3, and over here we have a ladder of grey, and I'm just pulling it over. And now from now on we can just fixing it up. So I put ladder on the needle, pull this stitch through, and you can do it the same over here. Bring it back, repeat, 1, put it back, 2, place it back, and we have the last one. So again, over, put it on the right, place it on the left needle, put it over, place it back. And now, as you can see, I fixed the position of my white stitch. I hope it helped. I hope you enjoyed this one, and hopefully the pattern will be released soon. Bye!